Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi e-tron 55 Quattro. This vehicle is an electric automatic. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Catalonia red. To start off with, then you have LED headlights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the Catalonia red exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. This vehicle is an electric vehicle, so it has a range of up to 249 miles. It is also capable of rapid charging and can be charged from 20 to 80% in up to 80 minutes. This vehicle also features an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, so once you've found your comfortable position you are also able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a brilliant feature as it allows all the natural light into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, volume controls, buttons to change your information panel, and on your steering column you can find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 77,272 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, along with your Audi Drive Select, which has a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. You are also able to raise and lower the vehicle via the electric air suspension, along with your 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. This has been a presentation on the Audi e-tron 55 Quattro that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.